started. Very good afternoon to one and all cadets present here.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, very good afternoon to one and all. I will share my desktop screen so that you are able to see my presentation window. Cadets, are you able to see my presentation window?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to everyone? Yeah, only two more voices I am hearing. What about the rest of the cadets?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to everyone?
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Fine.
Yes,
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Thanks for your response. The subject name, along with its code, we are going to see throughout the semester.
I can't see your desktop.
sir. I can't also.
I can't see your desktop, sir.
I'm not showing my desktop. My presentation screen only now I am right now. Presentation
Now it's
window is
showed up,
visible?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Now it's okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thanks. UDIT 201 of Information Technology Lab. So currently we are going to see today the experiment number 6, that is text manipulation. Before getting into that, the agenda for today's session are attendance at the start and end, introduction about myself, netiquette to be followed, learning objective and outcome, then recap of previous session, introduction, explanation, summarization about the topic, then Q&A, feedback, if any, at last. So I am straight away going for the attendance. So cadets, please unmute your mic and mark your presence. Answer attendance, Ajit. Ajit. Sarat Chandar. Sarat Chandar.
Present. Sir, present.
Vaishak? Yeah. No, who is this? I'm not getting properly. Sarat Chandran, present.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. Vaishak? Vaishak, yeah. Sanit? Rika Bonu Chandra Prasad?
Present, sir.
Rishabh?
Present, sir.
Sujay? Sujay? Nandana?
Present, sir.
Anwar?
Present, sir.
Andu?
Present, sir.
Mohammad Yazir?
Present, sir.
Yaldin?
Present, sir.
Sachin Kumar?
Present, sir.
Prakar Gupta? Dikshan Anto?
Present, sir.
Pejin Baby?
Hello, sir.
Krishna?
Sujay present. I don't know why the mic is not working.
Okay, fine. Noted. Krishna?
Present, sir.
Abdul Rahman?
Present, sir.
Santosh Kumar?
Present, sir.
Kabilan?
Present, sir.
Raghavendra Singh?
Present, sir.
Praji?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Rahul Kumar?
Present, sir.
Akash Layak?
Present, sir.
Naman Sharma?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. Ankit Kumar,
Present, sir.
Deepu Joseph, Deepu Joseph, Bagarapeta, Shruti, Ankit,
Present, sir.
Inshaf Rahman,
Present, sir.
Suraj,
Present, sir.
Gopi Krishna, Gopi Krishna, Sandra,
Sir.
Yuvraj, Alexius, Yadunan,
Present, sir.
Nega, Neha,
Present,
sir.
sir.
Sir, my name is Deepu. I am
yeah,
present.
Deepu Joseph. Okay, noted. Noted, fine. Okay, I'm getting back to my presentation
Chandu
window.
Prasad Reddy present, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ajit is present, sir.
Ajit present. Then I heard one more voice.
Ajit
Who is
is
that?
present.
Ajit
Sir,
TV.
Chandu Prasad
Okay.
Reddy present, sir.
Chandu Prasad Reddy. Okay, okay. Bagarapeta. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Noted. Okay, noted. Then any other? Sunny, Pejin Baby, Pragar Gupta, Shruti, Gopi Krishna, Yuvraj. Okay, fine. Now getting back to our attendance window. Sorry, getting back to our presentation window. So last class we started the hands-on session and explored various options relevant to the exercise mail merge. So mail merge means it is going to create one document. You are going to create one document template. In turn, you are going to create a database, and then it's going to produce the multiple number of documents. That is what the advantage of using mail merge. The creation of database is the only thing. After that, you can do all your possibility thing with the help of the database. That is what we started and completed in the last session. So today's session, we are going to see about text manipulation. So what is meant by text manipulation means you are going to have a text. It might be a single word or sentence or paragraph or article, document, anything maybe. So with that, you are going to do some decorative things in order to provide a lucrative text. So
Hello,
presentation is
sir.
very important. Yeah.
Sir, I'm not
Okay.
able to see your screen, sir. Only the first page is visible. Can you please
First page is,
stop sharing and again start sharing, sir?
yeah, sure. I will do the same. Some raise the hand. Sachin Kumar, Rajit, and then Sandra. What happened, Pa? Okay. Now it is visible.
Mistake.
Yeah, Sandra, tell
Yes,
Pa.
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now
Visible, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, fine. So, with the help of the text, you are going to present your article or document in a prettier form. That is what the text manipulation. So, I am getting back to my Word window. I already opened up the Word. This is my Word window. So these are the things we are going to see today. Cadets, are you able to see my word window?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
See that.
Yeah, fine.
Sir.
Yeah, fine. Thanks for your response. So 6 things we are going to do in this text manipulation. There is parts. First one is equation, then symbols, then word art, then drop cap. So these all, that's from 1 to 4, all options are covered under insert menu. That is equation, symbol, word art, and then drop cap. And the last 2 columns, page color, page border, and watermark. So these last items are options covered under the next menu, page layout. The page layout, this is the columns, this is the watermark, this is the page color, this is the page border. So these are the things we are going to discuss today. Got my point, cadets? Shall we start?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
first one, yeah, fine. First one is the drop cap and word art. Under insert menu, in the text ribbon, word art is there, drop cap is there. So what is meant by word art means you can create the text in a decorative manner. You can make it as a curved shape or diamond shape, whatever shape you require, you can play with the text. That is what the word art. The second one is drop cap. Drop cap probably used in the magazines. If you read the novels or magazines, the first letter, that is the first character of the word, looks a little bit bigger than all other words. So how to do that? First character alone to make it as a bigger, that is what the drop cap option. So I will explain one by one. If you have any queries, means you can prompt at any time. So first thing, I am going to use the word art. So for the word art, I am going to click that word art that is available in insert menu, text ribbon, and then word art. So you are going to click that word art. Under the drop down, there are so many textual decorations available. From the decorative text, you can select any one of the decoration. For example, I am selecting this one. So here, what I want to do means I want to type the text that I want to give it as a lucrative and decorative. So here I will give discount. DISCOUNT. So if I want, I can apply the font style, any font style. Okay, this one will style. Then the size, font size, I give it as 48 and then bold. So after that, press OK. Once you click on the OK button, it will open up on add-on menu also. It will display the decorative text and also one add-on menu. I will clicking on the OK button, see the difference. So it will display in the curved manner, and after that, one add-on menu gets added, that is the format menu. So in that format menu, you can have variety number of options. In that variety number of options, you can select as many options, that is shape fill. In order to fill your text, you can fill like this. Then shape outline, textual contents outline, you can make like this. So if you want to change the shape, that is the curvature, you can change the shape of the curvature. So if I want like this, if I want like this, so I can change the shape as per my wish. So this is what the decorative text using word art. Then shadow effects also you can apply like this, like this, like this you can apply. So you can explore various number of options available under that format menu. So this is what the word art. Cadets, are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
So, okay, fine. Thanks for your response. Then the second one is drop cap. So drop cap means I'm going to make the character of the first word bigger than the other thing. So for that, I want to open up. I want to have some textual contents. Okay. This one. Maybe I can copy this textual content and pasting here. Okay. So I want to make this particular I to be a bigger than the other characters. So for that, I want to select, I will make a zoom so that you can understand. So I am going to select that I, and under the insert menu, there is an option called drop cap. So if I click the drop cap, it will display three options. First one is none, second one is drop, third one is in margin. That is, it will come a little bit outside the margin. So usually we prefer the drop. So I will select this drop option. So now if you see the letter I, character I in the intrusion means it will comes to 3 lines. So most probably it will be applicable to magazines or else to the novels. So this is what the option called drop cap. So insert and the same text ribbon drop cap. So next one, so two things gets over. Then next two things, equations and symbols. So the very first class onwards, that is the very first exercise onwards, I told to create the simple equations using the home menu, that is with the help of the superscript and then the subscript. Simple equation you can create with the help of this superscript and subscript. But some cases, if you want to create the complex equation, then you can use this equation option. I will explore the options available in that. So for that, you are going to click over that insert menu, then symbols ribbon. So under that, there is a equation option available. So click over the drop down. It will display some default equations. So these are the default equations. If your equation falls in this any one of the category, you can select the equation here itself. But if it is not fall in the category, for example, you want to create one matrix type equation in the mathematics or any inorganic chemistry equation you want to create, then you can use the insert new equation option. I will select the new place. Here I will select and I will insert new equation. So after clicking over that insert new equation, it will give the add-on menu design. So automatically gets appear and appended in your menu, design menu. So here in the structure ribbon, there are so many options available. If I want to create the matrix, I can click over that matrix drop down. If it is the operator, I can click over this operator, limit, then accent, then sign function, then brackets, then sigma operation, then integral operation, then square root operation, then exponential operation, then fraction operation. So these are the equations available here. So example, I will take this e to the, that is exponential operation. Once I select any one of the, yeah, I'm hearing some voice.
Sir,
Any
they are
clarification
speaking
that
very
word?
fast and it is processing very slow, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. I will go a little bit slowly. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, fine. So in the structures ribbon, you can select any one of the option based on your requirements. If you want to create sine equation, you can select the sine function. If you want to create the matrix operation, then you can click over the matrix equation. If it is integral, if it is square root, so whatever it may be, depends upon your problem statement. You can select your own equation. So here I selected the script equation, that is the exponential equation. So after clicking the exponential equation, I got the equation like this. So in the bigger box, I'm going to type E, and in the small box, I'm going to type it as -9. So once you click over the outside of the equation, the menu, add-on menu gets vanished. The equation looks like, so e to the power -9. Some cases, if you want to edit, then you can click over that insert new equation window, so that the menu also gets added. And if you want, you can change the equation, new equation, or you can add some more flavors to your equation. So this is what the creation of equation. Then here there is a symbols ribbon available. In the symbols ribbon, some default scientific symbols listed here. For example, if sigma is approximately equal to this much, like that, if you want to define means, I will explain. Insert equation, insert new equation, then I'm going to have that sigma like this. So after clicking over that, here I'm going to type it as I is equal to 0. Then here it is n. Sample equation only I'm typing, not the exact equation. So don't bother about that. So I. So now if I want to make this as approximately equal to, then I leave some space. Then I can select this particular symbol or this particular symbol. Again, leaving some space. Example, the same thing, or maybe the fractional. I and then n. So like that, you can also include the sample symbols, that is scientific sample symbols in your equations also. So after clicking outside the equation box, the equation looks like this. So cadets, are you able to follow me? Got whatever I explained?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Thanks for your response. So
But but sir,
still I
how
am
to
fast.
sir,
Ah, yeah,
how
tell
to
me.
insert
Help us.
this question into your paragraph?
How to
Like
insert the equation?
yes,
Yeah,
sir. Like I want to insert the whole equation in a line. So how can I insert this?
yeah, simple. I will explain the same thing. So this is a paragraph. Okay, wow. So here, in the place of above, I want to have the equation means here I am going to choose the option insert equation. So I'm going to set the sample equation from the palette. So A is equal to pi r square. The same thing I want to have as it is means I'm going to click outside. So the equation looks like this. Okay, wow. So in this way, you
Okay,
can
sir.
add the equation within your paragraph also. In the starting of the paragraph or in the middle of the paragraph or at the end of the paragraph. So wherever the equation required, you want to make a click over that particular place. After that, you are going to select the insert menu equation option. Wherever you can, wherever you want, you can insert the equation. Okay, got it, pa? Correct? I clarified your doubt or still you are having doubts?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah, fine. So I am still faster. I want to slower again because one carrot told that I am moving.
No, it's
I
okay,
mean,
sir.
No, sir.
yeah.
Your system is something
Ah,
like slow.
No, sir, your system
You
is slow.
uh, it's slow for everyone or to that particular cadet. I'm not sure about that.
No, sir. When seeing on, it is like slow, coming slow.
Okay, okay,
No,
okay.
sir.
Uh,
Some
in
delays
Chennai
are showing,
today,
sir.
in Chennai today, from the morning
Yes, sir.
to still
Little
there is a
delay.
rainy. Yeah, so probably there is a network delay, I guess. Okay, ma'am. So I will be a little bit slower so that you understand. So I cleared the third part, that is equation. Then
Yes, sir.
the next one, symbols. Equation we finished. The next one, symbols. So symbols means if you are creating any notes, if you are creating any article relevant to physics or chemistry, some cases for mathematics also, you want to include the symbols, small symbols within your document. For example, you want to insert alpha, you want to insert gamma, beta. So like that, you want to insert some symbols. If you want, you can use the same insert equation operation or option. And also you can use insert symbol option. If it is single symbol, if it is an equation means surely you are going to use only insert equation option. But if it is the single symbol, then you can use the symbol option also. I will explain. So here, an alpha is directly proportional to beta and gamma. Like that, one textual thing or one sentence you are having in your document or article, consider. So in the place of alpha, here I want to place the symbol of alpha. Here I want to place the symbol of beta, and here the symbol of gamma. So what I'm going to do means I click over that alpha, opening up one new process. After that, I'm going for insert menu, then symbol option. So click over the drop down. Here, some default symbols available. If you want to select the new symbol, you can click over the more symbols option. So I'm clicking over more symbols option under symbol. So after that, one dialog gets appear. From that dialog, you can also change the symbol variations by using the drop down, font drop down. So if I select like this, the symbols font style gets changed. So if I want, you can or I can change the style of the particular symbols. So like that, I can choose as many number of symbols available here. So again, I want to scroll here for the particular symbol, that is relevant symbol. So alpha symbol, I want to find it out, and gamma symbol. So if the symbol is not listed, then I want to change my font style. So like that, you can change your style and find your relevant symbol. This is different. This is also different. This is subset. So here, if I want, I can choose the subset also. So consider this is a symbol I want to insert. So I'm going to click over this, and then I'm clicking on insert. So once you click over the insert button, in the specified location, the symbol gets inserted. Once it is inserted, you are going to press the close button. So now see here, the symbol gets inserted. So again, I'm going to close the parenthesis. Now the same option I'm going to repeat for beta and gamma. So here in the place of beta, insert menu, symbol option, more symbols, and again I'm going to select the new thing beta. Then insert, then close. Again I'm closing the parenthesis, and for the gamma also I'm repeating the same process. The symbol, more symbols, and then I'm having like this. I'm not inserting a proper symbol, so just for a understanding purpose, I'm inserting the symbol. So like this way also, you can insert the symbol within the sentence, paragraph, or into your article. So these are the two options. One is equations and another one is symbols. Cadets, are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So we completed
Yes,
the
sir.
4 options. Yeah, fine. Thanks for your response. So these are the 4 options we seen under the menu insert. So word art, drop cap, equation, symbol. So next 2 is columns, page color, border, and watermark. So the second menu, page layout, sorry, the third menu, page layout. Under this, there are columns, watermark, page color, border. So I will take this paragraph also drop cap. If you want to make a original one of your textual contents, means you can go back, select the text, and then you can go for drop cap, and again you are going to use the option none, so that it will be looks as it is in the first one. So this particular textual paragraph. I'm going to move on to the second page. So I apply some justification option, or else you can also give Control J keyboard shortcut. Now I'm going to apply the option called columns. This column options gets applicable in the academic and non-academic. For example, daily, most probably you are reading the newspaper, I guess. Are you?
No, sir.
Are you having?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the newspaper, if you're reading the news means whether it's all in the same line of paragraphs or it is splitted into some columns. Whether there is any splitting or it is starting from the left to right.
Sir, fitted into some columns.
Split it into some columns. So in the same fashion, whether it is Tamil newspaper or English, irrespective of languages, most of the newspapers following this splitting the textual contents. Why it is because means in order to accommodate all the news under one page. For example, each and every newspaper consists of the national news under one page, then district news under one page, then overall country information one page, business, sports. So within that page itself, all the news gets accommodated. So for that only they splitting the textual contents into multiple columns. So in the same fashion, if you want to do for your article, your document, then you can apply this page layout columns option. For that, you want to select the textual contents for which you are going to apply the column option. So after the selections of my textual contents, I'm going to use the page layout columns option. So by default, there are some options available, gets listed 1, 2, 3, then left and then right. If I want, I can select more number of columns also under more columns. So here I am clicking more columns. It will display one dialog box. In that dialog box, by default it is 1. I am going to select 2. After that, if I want any lines in between the textual splitter, because in the newspaper, if you read the newspaper consists of the lines in between the splitted textual contents. The same fashion, if you required means you want to check the box, that is you want to put a tick mark in the box line between. So I selected 2 as number of columns and I'm going to tick the box line between. Whatever the option you are choosing in the listed, the same preview shown to you. So if I select 3, it will show the preview. If I select 2, it will show the preview. If I select the line between, it will show the preview. So based on the preview, you can select as many number of columns. After that, you are going to press OK. So here, actually, the textual contents are very little bit, so that there is no column gets split. I will select little bit higher text from here. Again, I am going to paste here. Pasted. So now I am going to select from here. I want to apply the columns for all these textual contents. So I selected all these things. Now I am applying columns, more columns, 2, then line between. After that, I am pressing OK. So this is the textual contents. So it splitted into 2 columns and there is a line in between. Cadets, are you able to see my window? Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Thanks for your response. So this is what the splitting of your textual contents into as many number of columns. Then the next one is watermark. Watermark means you are creating one important document and you are going to circulate the same thing to your co-cadets or your seniors or to your subordinate. Means as you created the document entirely for the credit purpose, taking the credit by your own, you are going to put it a watermark there. That watermark does not going to affect your textual contents. It actually located at the back side of your textual contents. Most probably, if you are creating one assignment and spreading to your co-cadets, as you are the creator, you are going to put your name. If I am creating any notes and I am going to give to you, you are not only you are going to study the same material, same notes. If any one of your friends studying in some other college means, you can also circulate the same material to your friend who is studying in some other college. So for that purpose, what I am going to do means I am going to put the watermark so that the credit goes for myself and credit goes for yourself. Like this way, you can create the watermark. For this, you are going to create the watermark with the help of the menu called page layout and then watermark. So here, two types of watermarks available. One is picture watermark and the second one is textual watermark. If you get the letter pad of any parties, any political parties, any companies, or might be some cases your father itself owning a company. In that company, if you see the letterhead of your father company, means the letterhead consists of the logo in a semi-transparent manner. So why it is because means in order to avoid the fraudulent activity, the logo gets printed in the letterhead. So you can insert your own picture, your own textual contents as a watermark. So after clicking this watermark, some default templates available, confidential, don't copy like that. If you want, you can also create your own watermark with the help of this custom watermark. So I am clicking custom watermark. It will display one dialog. So in that dialog, first one is no watermark. Second one is picture watermark. Third one is textual watermark. So if you want to have your own company logo as a watermark, you can click over the second option, picture watermark. After that, you are going to select the picture from the select picture button, choose the location, insert your picture. Don't forget to click over this option washout. Then only your logo gets appear in a semi-transparent manner. If it is not, it will look much prettier. If you are typing any textual or printing any textual contents, then the textual contents get disturbed by your company logo. So that always don't forget to tick the option washout. Then next one, text watermark. So text watermark, language, you doesn't want to bother about that. Here in the text, here only you are going to type your own name, your company name or college name, anything maybe. So here I am giving a BSc Nautical Science. BSc Nautical Science. Type my text. If I want, I can apply the font style also. And size also, and color also. Most of the time we are selecting the dull colors only, not the bright colors. If it is a bright color, it may disturb your actual contents of your text. So I selected like this, and here also don't forget to check the option semi-transparent. Then the layout is diagonal or horizontal, whether you want to have your watermark in a horizontal fashion or diagonal fashion. So after finalizing all those things, you are going to click apply and then close. So if you see here means it will be looks like this. So background of the text, your watermarks gets applied. Correct? Are you able to see this text?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I will show. I will show the another thing
Yes,
also.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. Thanks for your response, part. If I uncheck the option semi-transparent and I apply it again means now you can see the textual contents. It will be look much prettier than the previous. So if the same I circulate means I'm not able to study the textual contents which crossing the watermark. So it will disturb your actual textual contents. So that only we are ticking the option semi-transparent. So now you can easily see the textual contents that going through within the watermark. So that is what we are checking semi-transparent. So this is what the watermark option. So in some case, if you don't want to apply this watermark, then you can use the option watermark, remove watermark. If you use remove watermark, the watermark you created earlier gets removed. This is what the watermark option. It gets reflected if you take the printout of your article or document. Then the second one, page color. So page color means you are going to give the color for your document. But this color does not going to reflect anymore to your printed copy. For a decorative purpose, you can use this page color in the document. As you are, if you are having soft copy, then the color gets retained. But if you are having hard copy, you are going to take it as a printout, it doesn't get reflected. So if you want, you can apply the page color also under page color option. For example, I am going to have like this. So I can select any color and I can apply my colors also. Correct? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So the last option we are having is page border. So page border means you are going to take the printout of your document or article, means you are going to have the border. Usually, if you are writing any assignment, if you are writing any examination in A4 sheet, then obviously you are going to put a line or you are going to put a box type line. That is the border. The same thing you are going to apply it for your document also. How you are going to apply it into your document means with the help of the menu page layout and then page border. So once you click over that page border, it will display one dialog box. There are two types of borders available. One is the simple border for article, for document, and the second one is art border. If you are creating any certificate using MS Word, if you are creating any invitation using MS Word, then you can apply the art border also. I will explain both. So after clicking over this page border option, it will display one dialog box. Here, by default in the setting, that is left pane, by default it is none. You are going to select box. So after that, you are coming for the style. So this is simple styles. If you scroll down, the simple styles get listed. So if you want, you can select any one of the style. So whatever the style, whatever the color, whatever the width you are selecting, the preview gets displayed. So based on the preview, you can select or unselect the option. Then the color. I can apply any color. So I can give this. And I can apply the width also. So here only 3 points available. Example, I will select some other style. Yeah, I can select this one. So here various width sizes available. So I can choose any number of sizes. For example, I will select 2.5 and color it will be red. Then apply to whole document or this section first page only, this section all except first page. So whatever the option you require, you can click over that. So whole document only for this page, this section, that is first only for the first page, and except the first page, all the pages. So whatever the option you want, you select and then press OK. So if now you can see the article means it looks like this. I will minimize the ribbon. So looks like this. Then I will also explain the second option, the same page borders. Instead of using the style, straight away I am coming for the art. So here so many art borders gets listed. For example, if I am creating any certificate, then I can choose this type of borders. And I can reduce the size of the border also. So like this, I can select and I can also change my color. So if I press OK, it will be looks like this. This is what the applying the art border. So if you want, you can apply, you can choose any number of art style in the list. You can apply the color also. Okay, wow. So this is what the page border option. Cadets, got my point? Any clarification
Yes, sir.
required?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
if,
sir.
sir, if I want to delete this border, then how can I delete this?
Yeah, simple. The same option you want to revert it back. In the page border, you can select none and press OK.
Use none.
Okay, va? In the page border itself,
Okay,
you
sir.
are selecting the box setting. Instead, you are selecting the none. If it is none, it will be unselected. Any further clarifications required?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. So with this, I
No,
will
sir.
stop my lecture. Yeah, fine. Thanks for your response. So with this, I will stop my lecture. So these are the things you are going to include within your document you are going to create on your own. Okay, va? Equation,
Sir, I have a question.
symbol. Yeah, tell pa. I will clarify.
Sir, sir, if I want to locate any place on the map, so how can I locate this using Microsoft Word?
No, I'm not getting you properly. What?
Sir, if I want to locate any place on a world map or a India map, so how can I locate this using Microsoft Word?
That is entirely different. Hyperlink. With the options, with the text manipulation, you cannot do that. If you want to locate any particular location, you want to provide the link. That is entirely different. Hyperlink. Okay.
Sir,
Got
if I
Uh,
copy a photo or some
uh,
documents into the WordPad, okay, sir, and sir, if I copy a world map into the WordPad, huh?
okay.
Then
In the MS
I
Office
want
Word.
to locate
Okay.
yes, sir. Then I want to locate some place. So how can I do that?
If you want to locate some location, if you
Yes,
click
sir.
over the location anywhere in the map, it want to show the name of the country or name of the location. That is what you're asking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. It is a hyperlink. It is entirely different. That is not get listed under this text manipulation. Okay, va? For that you want to use the insert menu hyperlink option. So here only you are going to provide that sort of links. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
Got it? Yeah, fine. Then
Sir,
any other clarifications? Yeah.
no.
Uh, uh,
Sir. I
yeah,
just
tell
tell
me.
you that I just
Uh,
ask you that if I want to locate I want to locate
You
Canada
want to write
in a
name
world
on
map.
map?
okay.
The AR.
So
Okay.
I
You
know
want to
where is
locate
Canada.
Canada?
I know where is the Canada in the world map. So using a
Your
arrow or
asking
something else,
options is
I want to
correct.
locate
Your
that.
asking options is correct. But for
Yes, sir.
all the questions you are asking, the only one option is hyperlink. There is a tooltip menu also. There is a text to display. Here you want to type Canada, but you want to predefine the locations at first. Then the following users can locate the locations on the map. First, you want to create on your own. Okay, va? So with the help
Oh,
of the
okay, sir.
hyperlink option, whatever the questions you are asking, if you want to locate, if you want to click anywhere in the map, if it won't display the location, or if you moving the cursor over the map, it want to display the location of that particular country. Both are possible with the help of the hyperlink option. So here you want to give the name of the particular location, and here you want to insert the image. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
Clear, pa? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Can we leave now?
Yeah, wait. I will finalize comments. So these are the things you are going to do. So do your work, execute, and upload the same thing into the Google Classroom
Sir,
also. Because based on the once again for Sandra, based on the Google
sir,
Classroom,
can do this.
uh, you can do it in
Do
the
this
Google Docs
in the
also. You can do
mobile.
the yeah, you can do it in the mobile also. Okay, ba?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So based on your uploading only, I'm going to provide the marks at your final semester. So don't delay and don't forget to upload your screenshots or your completed Word documents. Okay, va? Okay, fine.
Sir,
I
can
will-
you share
I will
today?
put the attendance. Which one, sir?
2
I will
days.
stop the recording.